So we've explored digital solutions and the advantages, and you've given some great advice, as I've said a couple of times. But there are two words I need to now articulate to you that are so important: cybersecurity.
Mm. Yeah, look, in today's marketplace, it's something we really need to be mindful of, right? Fortunately, workshops don't build digital solutions, so they don't have to worry too much about it. The one thing they should be doing, though, is partnering with someone who does worry about it and takes that sort of stuff into consideration. Being able to limit your exposure is really important, and scrutinizing the people you partner with is really, really important. And if you're not comfortable, or if it looks suspicious, don't act. You know, that's what we say. Stop and think it through.
It's about educating as well,
100%.
communicating, making people feel at ease. Sure, it's out there. Cybersecurity is an issue. We know that it's been an issue for a long time. But I'm guessing because I'm not in your chair, but I don't have your experience. But the way you communicate what you're doing in that space, presumably, would make the customers feel more relaxed.
Yeah, we're certainly one to take it very, very seriously. It's what we do.